DevSecOps course, Most Practical DevSecOps Training Bootcamp, Tonex Training. Course length, 3 days. Learn the purpose, benefits, concepts, and vocabulary of DevSecOps including DevOps security strategies and business benefits. DevSecOps Engineering training by certified trainers from Tonex. Online classroom training are available for DevSecOps Engineering course with schedules. Participants will learn about DevOps and DevSecOps to take full advantage of the agility and responsiveness of a secure DevOps approach, IT security across SDLC and full life cycle of your apps. Who should attend DevSecOps Training Bootcamp? DevSecOps Training Bootcamp is designed for security staff, IT leadership, IT infrastructure, CIOs, CTOs, CSO, configuration managers, developers and application team members and leads, IT operations staff, IT project and program managers, product owners and managers, release engineers, agile staff and scrum masters, software developers, software team leads, system admin. DevSecOps learning objectives. Upon completion of DevSecOps Training Bootcamp, participants will learn how to distinguish and clarify the periods of the DevOps lifecycle, characterize the jobs and duties that help DevOps conditions, portray the security segments of and recognize the hazard standards of DevOps, dissect, evaluate, and mechanize DevOps application security across software development lifecycle, SDLC. Recognize and disclose the qualities required to fulfill the security meaning of DevOps registering. Use DevOps-style security measurements to gauge and screen security practices and execution and numerous different things. DevSecOps course agenda. DevOps versus DevSecOps. DevOps security requirements. DevOps typical security activities. Tools for securing DevOps. Principles behind DevSecOps. DevSecOps and application security. How to DevSecOps. DevSecOps Maturity. Risk Management Framework, RMF, DevOps and DevSecOps. Workshops and group activities. Request more information regarding DevSecOps Training Bootcamp. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.